Let's get this guy. Or this one. Freeman. KTA Breaks. Gonna do Star Wars. Let's go. These things do not like to open. It's absolutely terrible to open.
Is it Masters close there?
Huh?
Is it Masters close there?
Yeah. There's all the steakhouses close to here. There's a Ruth Chris.
Yeah.
I mean, the steakhouse on the casino is like the best one, though.
Yeah. I mean, that's probably the other time.
Yeah.
You know, it's probably going to close like a 10. More like it's closed now.
Now your card. It's going to be at a 99. 96 and 99. He's judging me. And nice.
Oh, cool.
John Boyega. Shooting the Millennium Falcon. A little bit of streak in that auto. Just a little bit. Definitely one of the better ones that we've seen. I mean, it's better than D. Bradley Baker and Donald Faison. But to each their own.
Close at 10.
That one. It could have been a lot worse. I know he doesn't sell for much, but he definitely sells for more than D. Bradley Baker. The problem is what that Topps sells him direct for way more than that. Topps is high on him. Yeah. We got out of 25. I think that's Donald Faison's character. 18 of 25. Sarah Michelle Gellar, Gold Ink. Seventh sister. She used to be good because she never used to sign. Her and the hubby used to be real good. And they signed too much.
It could have been worse too, though.
Is that better than? Is that better than John Boyega? Pack 10. That is a 10. Similar value. She used to be really high because she never signed. Remember when hitting her was like really good, like when she first came out in Masterworks. Yeah, her and Freddie Prinze. There was like her and a Freddie Prinze Jr. duel that people were like going crazy for. Oh, I thought that was a 101. Purple. Anakin? Is that Anakin?
It's Boba.
It's Boba. Little Boba.
Yeah, with
6
with
of 10.
The Jango Fett helmet.
Boba Fett. And please be a duel. Be That's a nice.
Is it duel?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Daisy Ridley, John Boyega duel. Red ink.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's a winner. What's up, Travis? They're 105, bud. Sorry, I'm not arming.
There's a screwdriver
Isn't it a flathead though?
No?
It's really big though, isn't it?
Yeah, but like the tip might be good for us.
Just the tip?
Not the single screw one, but just the single screw.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yep, that's a good one, man. Thank you, Freeman. Appreciate it. Alright guys, we got 4 left from that one. And if anyone wants a case, I do have another case.